Good morning. Today we are going to see how to implement and given logic circuit using NAND gate. So we are going to see one example. So see the example as consider the following SOP expression, that is F is equal to WXY plus XYZ plus YZW. So for this step 1 we have to draw the logic diagram for the given expression. So we can use 3 input AND gates and also one OR gate. So we can draw the logic diagram for the given expression. And next one, apply the logic for AND, OR and NOT gates. That is, we have to add an inverter on each line that receives a bubble. That means we are for AND gate implementation, we are going to add a bubble at the input side of an AND gate, and for OR gate we are going to add a bubble at the for the AND gate we are going to add a bubble at the output side of an AND gate, and for the OR gate we are going to add a bubble at the input side of an OR gate. So listen, for an AND gate to convert into a NAND gate we are going to add a bubble at the input side, and for an OR gate we are going to add a bubble at the out this is input side OR gate, output side AND gate. And now wherever we are added the bubble, we have to add an inverter on each line that is received a bubble. So for each line, here the bubble is received, so we are going to add an inverter. Similarly, here the bubble is received and we add an inverter. Similarly, for all the 3 lines we added an inverter. And next step is we have to cancel the double inverter if present. So there are double inverters are present in each line, so we are cancelling it. So this is the next level diagram we got it. And now we are going to convert all the gates to a NAND gate. So there is no change in this AND gate, so we are already it is in a NAND gate type, and this OR gate we are going to convert into a NAND gate because we added bubbles at the input side which is equal to your NAND gate, so convert all the gates to the NAND gate. So this is the final implementation diagram using only NAND gates. So we are going to see another example for POS expression. So this is a POS expression. Similarly, draw the logic diagram for the given expression using basic logic gates. As we have already seen, to convert into a NAND gate, we are going to add bubble at the input side of an OR gate, and we are going to add bubble at the output side of an AND gate. Okay, after receiving this bubble, we are going to add an inverter wherever we received that bubble. So we have added that inverter also. Okay, so for the AND gate, add bubbles at the output side. For OR gate, add bubbles at the input side. This is the condition. And there is no need to cancel double inverters because there is no double inverters present at each line. So there is third step is not applicable here. Our fourth step is convert all the gates into a NAND gate. Okay, so we are converting all the gates into a NAND gate. So inverter we converted like this as a single input NAND gate, and for other gates we are converting into a NAND gate. So this is the POS expression. Okay, we converted using only NAND gate. So these are the practice problem. Please try this practice problems using only NAND gates. Thank you.